Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. How are you? Okay, thank you very much from to all my viewers. I've got a great response of my recently uploaded videos, and it was overwhelming encouragement from the viewers. Uh, I'm coming up with the ideas, the new ideas, which I can share uh, in view of my experience and what I have learned in my life as a VBA developer, as an Excel expert, or you can name anything, uh, developer, whatever. So when during our work life or our experience, uh, we learned a lot of things, and the key success factor is the sharing of the knowledge, sharing of the knowledge. Uh, Knowledge has to have relevance with the wisdom as well. If you just depend on the knowledge and without the wisdom, it is not going to be very much useful or worthwhile. What is wisdom? The knowledge is proud that it knows too much, and wisdom is humble that it knows no more. Okay, so in our previous video, we have shared you that how to break uh, the external links you normally get. So uh, as you can see that these are the files listed. All my most recently uploaded videos have an Excel file attached. Whenever you go to my any video, uh, I have a consistent practice of making available the Excel file which is relevant to that video, and users can open it from the shared folder and they come in and serve. So many times I when I open the file, I see that people are using it, and they have opened it. So that encourages me. Please do go through these files, to access these files, and download it or open it and see and do the practice. Whatever is taught you, presented you in the video. Right. So I wanted to show you this folder because this is my starting point. Whenever I start a new video or recording, my first step is to go to uh, my YouTube stuff VBA folder and pick the last one and copy it down because this was the last one. I copied it to the from 79 to 80. So this is my today's session, and I'm going to open it and then show you as a what we are going to do for the part two of the same topic. Okay, so let's quickly open it, and it's going to open the file, right? So this is the evolved system. It evolved from nothing, from the ground zero, and we discussed all these in our previous videos, and these videos are listed in each file. This is important. When you open the Excel file, you get the links to other videos as well. And this is not just the links only. It tells you that how popular has been that video is. The most popular are on the top with a different shade, and these are being getting popular slowly, and it will be. And these are updated on daily basis. On daily basis, you will find an updated version of this file in showing you the other files, other presentations available with just on a click of button, on a click of a URL, you can go to the relevant topic. And it is telling you that when it was published and how many views it has attained, how much watch time has so far been done, and how many people have subscribed using this video, right? And how many impressions has YouTube given to us, and what is the click-through rate. So the higher it is, the better it will be, and so on. So just wanted to show you that this is very useful if you, when you log on and you come to this, remember you have the access. So all you need to do is go to the last most, scroll to the last most sheet, and you will get to this sheet already. Okay, so back to our today's topic. Uh, we would we showed you this button previously. Hmm? That is for to kill the external links. What? To kill the external links. Hmm? And what is that? It is that when you open a file open, then you have, for example, yeah, you have a file in the VKUP. Yeah, this one. Yeah, VKUP folder in which we have made the backup so that you know you can open it and see the, uh, this. Our focus is to how to do away with this. This is a frequently uh, uh, known issue for popular among the Excel users, and they get fed up with this. Always they have to think about what to do, update or don't update, and so many times the users approach me. They say we don't want to see this. Um, this is not relevant to us, and we don't we just want to get away with this. What is the way of it? Okay, so I have developed a mechanism for them to do whenever they are hampered or they are annoyed with this message. They can they need to do is open this file and see this. This is the last time they see it because after this, when they will click this button, when they will click this button in the here, right? So it is going to be killed. The external links are going to be killed, and then they have to save it. They don't save it, it will reappear. Okay. So first we show you, yeah, we click it, and after some time, they will get this message that number of external links killed equal to 10, and you have to prove it. But the issue is that what were, what were, today's topic is that, what were those 10 links, and how to approach them and see them, the list of them, right? To preserve these things. Okay. So we are not going to save it. We want to show you. If we save it, we lose the external links and they will go away. So, so let's close it and open the file again. Don't save it, right? Okay. So this we enable it. Okay. Now we are going to open the file again, this one, so that let that file come and so on. Okay. So let it come in. Okay. It is open at the moment, right? So now we have to see what is the process being done in here, right? So, so this is the file in which we have stored the the procedure. The procedure is here in the, this is the create bar and this is the kill external links, right? Where is it? It is associated to the button. If you say control F for find, you find there, yeah. This is the button number 30 on action. As soon as you click on it, so it is going to execute this macro and it will be executed. Okay, so let's put a breakpoint in that by next. Yeah, this is the procedure, and we show you what does it do, and it's a wonderful experience. You would love to see it. Okay, so let's put a breakpoint in here. Okay, so fair enough. Okay, so we are going back to the Excel. Yeah, let's go back to Excel, right? And we go to click in here. Yeah, and this is our external links, right? Now it has approached to this. Now it is checking what are if it is not empty, then it will do. Otherwise, it will not do anything, right? Okay, if there are no links, then still there should be a message that no external link found. If so, we can write here else means if no links found, then at least some message should come. MSG box that's it. At least it should give message. Otherwise, means this is on the other case in case there are no there are no external links. But since there are the external links, now it is go through all the links, starting from X, which is starting with 1, 2, how many links, whatever there. Okay, now it is going to, let's clear this immediate window, delete it. Okay, so that you can see that what it is doing. Keep your eye here. I press F8 here. Okay, F8 to go to the next step. F8, yeah. So it is killing this one link, yeah. Then it is going to the next link, clicking this. Okay, so let's put a space also so that it shows prominently, separately. Okay, F8. So F8. Yeah, now you have this killing this link. And sometimes it takes some time. It means it takes time to kill, break the links, right? Okay, so just keeping on, right? And in the end, it is going to display you this message. The 10 links have been killed, and to preserve, please make sure that you save this file. Okay, okay. So this is how. This is a very short procedure, very short coding required, and it does a great job. Yeah? So, and it is not restricted to any particular file. Whatever the file you open, while you have available this toolbar, it is going to work. I hope you liked it, and see you in the next session with more ideas for you. Thank you very much.